Say hey, babe. With your mouth. Say hey, babe.
What's up?
Your hair look crazy. You just got a bun. So I could put it in the bun.
I don't have bees.
You have bees in the front?
I have a lot of bees. And I don't have a lot of bees.
Not this time. You said you didn't want me to braid your hair. That's why.
I did want to braid my hair.
Nah, you want me to braid your hair now?
Yeah.
Hey y'all. Finally got a chance to do my hair, to put on the clothes, and to talk to y'all. Battery's charged, so I was trying to give you guys an update on what's been going on. So first things first, let's talk about my appointment that I had this week on Monday. It's like one hurdle over the next, y'all, with this pregnancy, I promise. So basically my cervix was good this week. It's actually the best it has been since before 20 weeks. So it's back in the 3s. It was like between 3.1 and 3.3, which is considered normal. So they were gonna push my appointment out for 2 weeks. Finally, I wouldn't have to go every week. And they but then they did the ultrasound and they saw a cyst in his left kidney. So now, at first she was like, well, let's just like play it by ear, you can still come back in 2 weeks. But then she called me after I got showing the at-risk doctor, and she said she wants to take a look at it next week. So we have to go back and get another ultrasound next week on Tuesday. And just to let you know, it's like, I think that's like the 7th of August. So that's where I was at. Of course, I was so upset, like, oh my gosh, like, you gotta be kidding me. And it's kind of worse. It's like pregnancy is freaking crazy, y'all. Cause I'm like, if it was, this boy over here nodding, like, you know, what you know? But like, I would prefer it be like me, like the cervix problem, than something, you know, potentially being wrong with him. But of course I did my research. Ain't nobody gonna stop me from researching on Google. I'm sorry, y'all, I have to. The information is out there for a reason. I understand to take it with a grain of salt. Everybody's situation is different. My God is a healer. Like, I get every piece of that, but I still need to know like what's up ahead. So that's why I looked at that. So from what I saw, like, I don't think, I mean, I'm just like praying for the best. Like, it's gonna go away, it's gonna resolve itself. That's what I'm just gonna pray for and believe in. So we're gonna see what it is on Tuesday of next week. And yeah, I was just so upset because it's like, you have to be freaking kidding me. Like, it's one hurdle over the next. Like, give me a break. I was actually looking forward to, you know, not having to go back for 2 weeks. It's just crazy. So I'm sorry, y'all, it's raining and this traffic on this interstate is crazy. CJ drives a little crazy, even though he don't think he do.
Hi, Nani.
What's hanging off his car?
Everything.
Babe, don't do that. That
Just
was
a
me.
bumper.
That was me.
It was a bumper.
You said everything, that was me.
Right there? You talking about that car?
You know what car I'm talking about,
Oh, I
boy.
thought you were talking about the one to the right of me, something, the one I just passed. That looks like a bumper or something.
You think I don't know you? Trying to clean that up. No, you was being mean.
Oh, I'm not a mean person.
I didn't say you were a mean person. I said you were being mean.
But I'm not mean. I'm nice.
Anyway, so that's the latest with the pregnancy. As far as like movement and stuff, he's been moving a lot. His foot or something has been poking in my kidney, not kidney, my liver. like under my ribs, but not always. When I lay down, it goes away. I do feel my stomach tightening up sometimes. What else? My back hurts like often. I have to wear sneakers because my feet hurts. I did the glucose test at my appointment on Monday. That came back normal. I don't have gestational diabetes or anything, thank God. Yeah, that's pretty much everything. So yeah, if you guys are familiar with that situation, when she called me back, she said that she believes that his left kidney is multicystic. Not both of them, but just the left one. And yeah, so again, we do not know what it means or what it could mean until we see the at-risk doctor. And they said like everything looks healthy with him, like he's growing right, he's growing, you know, well. He actually measured at 29 weeks. I'm 28 weeks now, but he measured at 29 weeks. He was 2 pounds, a little over 2 pounds, which was good. My amniotic fluid is perfect, which is another indication that your kidneys are operating, you know, or functioning well, because otherwise there would be like a issue with the amniotic fluid. But that measured out well. So, and they've been measuring that since I've been like 20 weeks, and it has always been in the normal range. So that's why I'm not too concerned about it. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. So that's that. What else? The house situation. We are still going through like everything with that, like, you know, slowly getting that. I told you I did a list or whatever to make myself sane, and the list, like, we're slowly checking stuff off. So our house met appraisal, thank God. The house we're purchasing met appraisal. What else? I don't know if I told you. Oh yeah, that we got the inspection report back. It was like very minimal, like just a little bit of things that we have to get addressed on that. So thank God for that. We picked our moving company. My mom is actually on vacation that week. My dad is going to help. My brother's going to help. So I'm glad now CJ has help. My mom actually came up this past weekend, and she helped start packing up some stuff. She bought a crib for Cam, and she also bought, what else?
Clothes.
A whole bunch of clothes, blankets, towels, everything for him. Like, she just went in. But it was her first time buying something for him, so she was like, I guess, letting it all out. What else, babe? Yeah, how y'all gonna let me tell the name though? Like, I'm blaming y'all. Y'all just gonna let me say the name?
Yeah, you are out.
Y'all just gonna let me say the name. But nah, in my defense for saying his name, that's not the right name. CJ said that's not the right name. That is his name. His name is Camden. But in my defense for saying his name, y'all, some of y'all had already guessed it. So big ups to y'all who had already knew. No, in the previous vlog, some of them had already guessed it, and I had never say his name. Now I think somebody messaged me on Instagram and said, I think his name is Camden, before the vlog even went out. Maybe you want to go to Butterworth's?
Why?
Because it's a furniture store?
Yeah, it's only one down here though.
So?
I'd rather have, nah.
Just to look, babe.
You gotta go to pharmacy.
I just need to get a paper sign from them. That's it.
I ain't really feeling Butterworth.
He ain't trying to go to Butterworth. Okay. I was trying to take them to the store or something, but you want to be mean. Oh yeah. So y'all, I'm sorry y'all. So the day I edited that vlog was the day I went to the doctor. And I was like tore up, like crying. I was sad, like I was really sad, y'all. So in my defense, I took my time. I still edited that vlog for y'all, and I messed up. Like, I just forgot to take the name out. So just charge it to my brain, my stress, and pregnancy. And yeah. So do y'all want to do his middle name? Do we want to do Cam's middle name, Tootie?
You going inside, Ben?
Dang, now I was gonna go to the drive-thru.
I don't want to.
What you gonna do?
Do you know Cam's middle name, Taylor?
What you gonna do?
Drive-thru? Do you know his middle name? Camden what?
Camden.
What's his middle name? You don't know. Babe, should we do his middle name? Name game?
Nah.
Yes, we should. He a hater. Alright, we doing the middle name. We're gonna move on to the middle name. His middle name, the first letter that we're gonna give is C. C. Do this, Taylor. Do this. Like this. You don't want to? You do know how to do it. Try it. Try. She just woke up, y'all. She's being weird. So yeah, the first letter is C. We're gonna just do this. We're gonna do it this way. But we about to head back home, so I'll talk to you guys later. Love you all. Alright, y'all, so I got him to go to the furniture store.
No, you better not jump in that water.
Yeah, you don't have on your rain boots, so you can't jump in the water. Get your shoes wet. You can't tell her nothing with this umbrella. Alright, y'all, we'll show you what we got. CJ is being very picky with a new couch. He wants something that's very sturdy, like solid. It's gonna last. So we'll see. It smell like, we haven't showed y'all anything. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to make it. CJ walking so fast. And Taylor all the way up there. Following the red road. Babe, what about this one? Y'all. I think this is pretty cool. Y'all, I'm so tired. I'm so tired right now. Babe, this is nice and sturdy. How much is this?
1,000.
Really?
Yeah.
It's big.
Yeah, but it's just one.
Come sit down beside Mama. Come here. Come sit down.
I won.
You won. Huh?
You guys know won. I won. Because you lose.
You get my, you want to see something? You want to see something? I ain't see something. I just want to see something, okay? I'm going to get your name and want to see something, okay?
Okay. I got see something.
No.
Okay.
You just
I'm about to get up.
Why you trying to tell him? What?
To me, Daddy.
Why would you do something so stupid
Daddy.
over this furniture? He get on my nerves so bad. Why would you do that, CJ?
Do what?
Why would you do that?
I felt
Do me, Daddy.
You updated my phone.
No, I ain't nobody update your phone.
Do me.
Taylor, get up. Help her up. Don't do that. Don't do that on top of this furniture, man.
Come on.
I got 2 kids in the store. Why is this not focusing?
Don't worry about that chain here. I still love it.
You get nervous. It was water on my. Get away. I'll help myself get up. Move. No. Get away.
Oh man, that was funny though.
You get on my nerves. Ouch. My back hurts so bad, y'all. Is it a bathroom in here? He get on my nerves, y'all, so bad. Alright, y'all, I'm loving this set right here.
Yes,
What y'all think? It comes with a love seat.
yes.
I like it a lot.
Yes.
It's so comfortable. Yes, I do.
Okay, well I'm sorry, I got another something to add to that.
Y'all see what I gotta deal with at the store. Look at this, look at this. He's acting like he's turning the channel.
Like that.
We're just literally walking right over here.
Okay, Taylor. I like this couch. Y'all tell him to get up.
Look at all the drawers.
I don't know about
Babe, this is the one I want.